Greetings, science enthusiasts! Today on Vitality Vortex, we're taking a deep dive into the microscopic world of pathogens, those tiny troublemakers that can disrupt our health. We'll explore the diverse world of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites, unraveling the mysteries of how they affect the human body. Ready for a journey into the unseen? Let's get started. Act 1. Understanding pathogens. Host pathogens, the invisible assailants of our well-being, come in different shapes and sizes. They're like tiny invaders on a mission. Our primary players today are bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites, each with its own unique characteristics and impact on our health. Act 2. Bacteria, the microscopic multitude. First up, bacteria. These single-celled organisms are ancient and incredibly diverse. Most bacteria are harmless, some are beneficial, and a select few can make us sick. Pathogenic bacteria release toxins or provoke an immune response, leading to infections like strep throat, urinary tract infections, and food poisoning. Understanding the difference between good and bad bacteria is crucial for maintaining a healthy balance in our bodies. Act 3. Viruses, sneaky hijackers. Moving on to viruses, these are like microscopic hijackers. They can't survive without a host, so they invade our cells, take over their machinery, and replicate. This can lead to a variety of illnesses, from the common cold to more severe diseases like the flu or COVID-19. Vaccines play a crucial role in training our immune system to recognize and combat viral invaders. Act 4. Fungi, the molds and mildews of health. Now, let's talk fungi. From mushrooms to molds, fungi have a wide range of forms. While some are essential for processes like fermentation, others can cause infections. Fungal infections often affect the skin, nails, or respiratory system. Maintaining good hygiene and a robust immune system is key to keeping fungi in check. By understanding fungi, we can appreciate their essential role in the ecosystem while safeguarding our health. Act 5. Parasites, uninvited guests. And finally, parasites, uninvited guests that live on or inside a host. These can include protozoa, helminths, and arthropods. Parasitic infections can be acquired through contaminated food or water, insect bites, or contact with infected animals. Diseases like malaria, giardiasis, and tapeworm infections are caused by these microscopic freeloaders. Understanding the life cycle of parasites helps us appreciate the complex interactions between hosts and their unwelcome guests. Act 6. How they affect the body. So, how do these microscopic invaders affect our bodies? When pathogens breach our defenses, our immune system springs into action. White blood cells, antibodies, and other defense mechanisms work together to identify, neutralize, and eliminate the threat. This intricate dance between pathogens and our immune system is a marvel of biological warfare happening inside us. Understanding this process not only gives us insight into our body's resilience, but also underscores the importance of maintaining a healthy lifestyle to support our immune defenses. Conclusion: there you have it, a comprehensive exploration into the different types of pathogens and their intricate dance with the human body. It's a microscopic battleground, and our immune system is the unsung hero in this ongoing saga. If you found this journey through the unseen world fascinating, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your science-loving friends, and subscribe to Vitality Vortex for more captivating content. Until our next exploration, stay curious.